I am absolutely obsessed with our fridge. It's like one of the coolest things I have in our house. And I love the family hub screen. So when you touch it, you have lots of options. We set ours up where we have a video of our kids playing, our calendar. There's also the option to have a whiteboard. So when you click that, we have little toddlers, so they'll draw us pictures and we save them all the time. We leave each other notes. I love you guys, all that fun stuff. Also, it's really cool how you can go to different apps, and I love the recipe one. Everything is just so simple to use. So the recipes are really, really neat. You get a lot of inspiration, and you can put like healthy things in there if you're doing a certain lifestyle, or just get inspiration for, let's say, next level chocolate chip cookies. Yum. Okay, so some of the other things you can see inside your fridge, which is great. That's a lot of fun. You also have the ability to watch TV on here, and you don't have to pay for a cable network subscription or anything like that. So you get free TV, which is amazing. And there's definitely channels appropriate for kids, adults, everything in between. I think there's even some movies on there. My only thing I'll say about this is the water. It's sometimes tricky. The way it comes out, you have to know exactly how to position your cup. So you want to definitely, oh, I have it on ice. You also, while I'm here talking about that, you have the option of cubed ice or crushed ice. When you do go to water, you just want to make sure you have it low enough. You definitely get sprayed a lot if you don't know what you're doing. Also, the ice area, yes, you can see inside our messy, not organized freezer. There's plenty of ice for us, but if you're a family that goes through a ton of ice, there's not that much ice. But it is really easy to take it off. So that's how much ice you're gonna get. And they're really cool. They're like a good shaped cube. I kind of care about stuff like that. So you don't have too much storage space in your freezer, but for us, it works great. Inside your fridge looks like so. You have the clear areas, everything you could possibly need. We really, really love it. Cleaning the screen is not hard. There's actually a cleaning mode on there. And I just love all the things you can do with your screen. Plus, you can set it up on your phone. There's an app. And then we have it as a screensaver where it slides through photos, like a photo album. So I love that it's like a digital photo album as well. So just a ton of fun. There's a lot more to this that we don't even use. If you have the Ring doorbell, you can have it show up on your fridge as well. This is the TV feature, so it's going to connect right now. And I just love that there's so many options on this. So we're a huge fan of it, and if you're looking for like next level fridge, this is it.